Today I'll be showing you what are my makeup favorites. So first, let's start with lip balms. So first I have the Mango Melon Starburst lip balm, and it smells really good and I really like that. And then the next one, it's from the Jelly Belly collection, and it's the Island Punch, and it's in a lavender color. It's like a purple one. And I use this a lot actually. I lost it one day and then I found it, so yeah. This is also from the Jelly Belly collection, but I ripped the wrapper off because I really like that. And it's just red, like the outside. And it smells like a candy. I think they're called sour cherry balls, something like that. And that's what it smells like. It smells the exact same. And then the next, I have the Ology lip balm, and it's a tangerine, and it's not opening for some reason. So yeah, but it still works really good, and I use it a lot. And moving on to eyeshadow, I didn't really mention that much eyeshadow, only this. But this is the Sally Beauty one, and I'm wearing it right now. And you can see that it's really sparkly light blue, and I really like that, and I'm wearing it. And it makes my eyes pop, and I like that. And then next I have the Pink Ice lip gloss set from Room 21. If I had to pick which one is my favorite, it'd probably be this one, because it's really dark pink color, but I still love it. I mean, I'm wearing it right now. And I'm not really I don't really like the middle one. It's just clear, but it's supposed to be like that. It's no overcoat. It still makes my lips shiny, so I still like it. I mean, I'm not saying I don't like it. Then this one, it is a really sparkly color, and I really like this one too. And I like all of them, so yeah. Then I really like the print on the side. I'm not sure what it's called, but I still really like the print on it. I think that's really cute. And here I have my locker chandelier, which I really like. I've always wanted one of these for my locker. And yeah, and it's magnets right there. And then it has the sensor mode and a regular mode. So yeah, it's really cute and I like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe. So bye.